All right, so we are going to get started with example 5 before we're going to talk about this information. Sometimes we get to an example and I just love it because I really like doing hard stuff and difficult stuff, and it challenges your brain and all that type of stuff. But sometimes it's just really, really nice to do something that's super easy, and this is one of those times. So this information, super easy. These next example problems, I know that you're just going to breeze through them. So let's get started. As shown in the previous examples, slope can be positive, negative, 0, or undefined. You can tell which of these is the case by looking at a graph of a line. You do not need just looking at the graph, okay? You don't need to calculate the slope. We're just going to look at these graphs and the patterns. So if you see here, anything where the line rises from the left to right, see how it's pointing up here? That's going to be a positive slope. Anything where there's a graph where the line is falling from left to right, that represents a negative slope. When you have a horizontal line, that's going to be a 0 slope. And then whenever you have a vertical line, the slope is going to be undefined. Okay, so basically you can just like look at the picture and you know whether you're dealing with a positive slope, negative slope, 0 slope, or undefined. All right, so let's go ahead and look at a few examples. And this is so easy, I love it, okay? So we're just going to describe the slope. We're going to tell whether the slope of the line is positive, negative, 0, or undefined. So first, A. What is this? Positive, negative, 0, or defined. We're looking at this particular lovely line right there. And yes, this is positive. It's pointing up. Positive slope. And that's it. Okay, on to the next problem. I love these. Okay, what about this one? What is this? What is going on with this line? Is it positive, negative, 0, or undefined? If you're thinking negative, you would be correct. This is a negative slope. We don't need to find the slope. We just need to say whether it's positive, negative, 0, or undefined. I love these problems. Okay, now it's on to the check it out examples. We're just going to tell whether the slope of the line is positive, negative, 0, undefined. So we have this line right here. What do you think? What is it? If you said undefined, you would be correct. Every vertical line is undefined. The slope is undefined. So yes, I just love these problems. Okay, on to the next one. B, the line is like this. So what is the slope? Positive, negative, 0, or undefined? Drum roll. What did you say? And if you said positive, you would be correct. This is a positive slope. So that is it for this lesson. If you got all those right, awesome, awesome, awesome. And I will see you in a little bit for the next lesson 4.